Hi, my name is Hassam. I'm so glad you've decided to check out this course on Introduction to Programming and App Development for iOS and Android. A little bit background about myself. My PhD was in programming languages in computer science, and after that I even continued doing research on programming language design. But what was interesting is that I hadn't done apps before, and it was only until recently when I was in a position when I was asked to make an app. And I wanted to do this for iOS in their new language called Swift, which I hadn't looked at before. But it was curious and interesting is that because I had this solid background in programming languages, it really just took me a few hours, maybe a day, to familiarize myself with this new language because all the concepts were all already known to me. And that's why I wanted to offer this course. I've checked online and there are many courses on app design, app development, etc. But what I've noticed is that a grand majority of them focus on the superficial stuff. Maybe they teach you, open this menu, type this and run this, and now you have your program. But that way you learn how to make one program, but have you learned how to make another program or even doing the same thing in a different language? And that is the focus on this course, to first really hone in all the fundamentals and the basics of programming languages regardless of what language you're going to work in. So a little bit of organizational information about this course. The first 8 weeks, a good portion of this whole course, which is a 13-week course, will be dedicated to us learning the concepts and fundamental theories and concepts in programming languages. And we'll do this in the context of the Swift language, but also we'll revisit that for Java, which is for Android programming. So we cover both iOS and Android. After those 8 weeks, we spend a couple of weeks then for those of you who specifically want to learn about app programming, concepts about that has to do with developing apps. And then we take about a few more weeks, 3-4 more weeks, to develop a sample app together. We do this, and as well as all the course, in both platforms, iOS and Android. So, and finally, after the official 13-week of the course is done, I'll be happy to be available online in the Q&A section, or just contact me directly at this address about the Build Your Own App student project. So you'll be building your own app, and I'll be happy to support you with all the questions and feedback you want to know about. So a little bit of information about the format of this course. So for the lectures, unlike this one, I won't be talking to camera. Either I'll be speaking over the slides I'll be showing you, or we'll be looking at the code that we're writing together. And finally, I'm also a meditation teacher. So as you will see, we go to each class with a little bit of centering meditation to make sure we fully present and we get the most out of our time together. I really hope you benefit from this course and you find it fun and exciting as much as I have. Thank you.